Today we will discuss LED, that is light emitting diode. It is also a special type of diode. We have already seen Zener diode and second one is light emitting diode. LED is made of gallium phosphide or gallium phosphide and gallium arsenic phosphide. दो मटेरियल से इसको बनाते हैं, आइदर गैलियम आर्सेनिक फॉस्फाइड और सिंपली गैलियम फॉस्फाइड. हम ऐसे मटेरियल को सेलेक्ट करते हैं जहां पर एनर्जी विल बी कन्वर्टेड इन टर्म्स ऑफ लाइट. तो यू सी हाउ इट्स फंक्शन एलईडी. एलईडी basically it is a type of diode and it operates in forward bias region. Diode is always operated in forward bias region, that is p type terminal of battery is connected, positive terminal of battery is connected to p type semiconductor materials and negative terminal is connected to n type semiconductor. So what happens in this case when LED or diode is forward biased, the potential barrier is lowered. हमने पहले भी देखा है कि जब भी फॉरवर्ड बायस होगा तो उसका पोटेंशियल बैरियर क्या होता है. दैट पोटेंशियल बैरियर इज, दिस पोटेंशियल बैरियर स्टार्ट्स डिक्रीजिंग. दिस पोटेंशियल बैरियर्स slowly decreasing. In that case, suppose this is p type and this is n type, free electron from this side will move towards p type regions. तो क्या लिखा है, the potential barriers is lowered, the free electrons from n region crosses the potential barrier and enter in p regions. जैसे ही डायोड को फॉरवर्ड बायस में रखेंगे, पोटेंशियल बैरियर लोअर्ड, डिक्रीज्ड, पोटेंशियल बैरियर और वी कैन से विड्थ ऑफ पोटेंशियल बैरियर रिड्यूस्ड एंड दिस फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन्स फ्रॉम एन साइड इट मूव्स टुवर्ड्स पी साइड ऑफ द पीएन जंक्शन डायोड और एलईडी. दीज फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन्स फॉल्स इनटू holes lying in the valence band. And we have seen this is conduction band and this is valence band. So what happens, this free electron from conduction bands enter into holes available in valence band. This is the valence band and this is the conduction bands. That means free electrons jumps from higher energy levels to the lower energy levels, and due to that region energy released from this light emitting diode. That is, here it ends, these free electrons falls into holes lying in valence band. The free electrons falls from higher energy levels to लोअर एनर्जी लेवल्स. जो फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है हाई एनर्जी लेवल से लो एनर्जी लेवल की तरफ इंटर करता है. दैट्स वाई दे रेडिएट्स एनर्जी. उसके कारण वहां पर क्या होगा, एनर्जी रिलीज होता है. दीज एनर्जी रेडिएटेड इन फॉर्म्स ऑफ लाइट. अगर कोई पूछे कि नॉर्मल डायोड में क्यों ये फैसिलिटी नहीं है, बिकॉज नॉर्मल डायोड में this energy radiated is converted into heat, not in light. But this special type of diode which is made of gallium arsenic phosphide or gallium phosphides have a property to release the energy in terms of light. तो हम देखेंगे कि what are the symbols of LED. In markets generally it is available in this form. This is the LED availables. Once you apply voltage these two terminals, the lights released from these points, and the our symbols of LED is just like normal diode, that is P and this is N, but there is a arrow. This arrow indicates, या arrow हमें बतलाता है कि signals symbols of radiated energy, that means यहाँ से एनर्जी को रिलीज करता है इन टर्म्स ऑफ लाइट. तो दिस इज द सिंबल ऑफ एलईडी एंड ऑल्सो इट इज द सिंबल ऑफ एलईडी विच इज अवेलेबल इन मार्केट्स. देयर आर सम प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ एलईडी. द फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज इट हैज voltage drop 1.5 to 2.5 volts and current required 10 to 50 milliamperes. That means you see in case of LED power consumption is very very low. In others light emitting devices power requirement will be more, but in case of LED voltage drop is very less. That amount is 1.5 to 2.5 volts and current is requirement is 10 to 50 milliamperes. The brightness of LED, कितना ज़्यादा लाइट उससे नजर आएगा, it depends upon the currents, how much current flowing through the LED. If suppose current is 10, then brightness will be low. If current is more, that is 50 milliampere, then brightness of light will be maximum. And next one is LED emits visible lights. LED light emitting diodes emits visible lights, and this LED is used in decorating light system, like nowadays coming Deepavali. In every house we are decorating our homes with this LED bulbs. And second one is it is also used in burglar alarm systems, and third one in digital clock. And in case as a engineers we can say clock system, that is known as 7 segment display system, where also we use this LEDs. And what are the advantage of LED? LED यूज करने का एडवांटेज क्या है? फर्स्ट वन इज LED works at low voltage. Second one is LED is smaller in size and weight, and also we can say it is cheaper and longer life. LED has a long life if you use proper supply voltage, then LED life is more. And last one is they required no heating times. What does it means? कि हमें once we on the switch it starts emitting the lights, there is no delay. So first thing, LED is a special type of diode which is made of gallium arsenic phosphide and gallium phosphide, and it works in forward bias region.